corner, a dream began to unfold. AlexMartStore, where creativity takes hold. Unique cups crafted with love, each sip tells a story like art from above. Where creativity is the key, in every cup a world of possibilities you see. Sip by sip discovering the magic it brews, a cup shop where imagination pursues. In chilly mornings or under the bright sun, a personal last cup makes everything fun. Colors and shapes, expressions so true,